If you're experiencing the Rainbow Six Siege server connection error, don't worry, there are steps you can take to resolve it. Let's walk through the process. First, open Command Prompt by searching for CMD and running it as administrator. Type ipadconfig flushdens and press Enter, then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Don't restart your computer yet, complete the next steps first. Next, search for View Network Connections and click on it. Find your network adapter, double-click on it, and go to Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, and ensure use the following DNS server addresses is selected. Enter 8.8.8.8 for the first line and 8.8.4.4 for the second line, then click OK. Now, search for Windows Defender Firewall and click on it. Go to Advanced Settings and then Inbound Rules, click on New Rule, select port and enter 4915226 5535 for the port range. Follow the prompts, name the rule Rainbow and click Finish. For the final step, search for Network Reset and click on it. Click Reset Now and confirm by clicking Yes. Once you've completed all these steps, restart your computer and the Rainbow Six Siege server connection error should be resolved.